In conclusion, in this course, we looked at the process of starting meetings and webinars using Zoom. Whether you want to share your cameras or your screen, you can share content with other individuals, whether they are participating with you on a webinar or they are participating with you by watching your content. And in closing, we're looking at the whiteboard and the sharing process, where we can share text, where we can draw, and where we can use our cursor to erase. We also looked at doing webinars, where we can operate in practice mode, and where we can also share Q&A and polling. And as you recall, the paid webinar plan allows us to stream live to YouTube and Facebook. We looked at integrations for storage, and we also looked at the app marketplace, which is only part of the paid plan and allows us to connect to third-party applications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.